Hello everyone, my name is Shauna. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Read Aloud tool in the Snap and Read iOS app. If this is your first time using the Read Aloud tool in the Snap and Read iOS app, follow along with me and don't be afraid to pause the video, rewind, and go back if you missed anything. We're going to begin by heading over to our iPad screen, and I will start by selecting my Snap and Read iOS app. I'm already signed into my Snap and Read account in my iOS app, so I'm ready to go. I have opened up a PDF of one of the pages of the United States Constitution. I'm going to show you how you can use the Read Aloud tool to have Snap and Read read this text aloud to you. I will need to click on the Read Aloud tool, which is the speaker icon in the upper left-hand corner of your Snap and Read screen, to the right of the Documents option. Once I click on this, the Read Aloud tool will be activated, and as you can see, it has turned blue. I can click anywhere in my text and Snap and Read will begin reading the text aloud. As you can see, when I activated the Read Aloud tool, the waves coming out of the speaker turned into an X. This button means stop the Read Aloud tool, and when selected, Snap and Read will stop reading the text aloud. Let's give this a try.
We the people of the United
This is a great tool for readers who want to hear their text read aloud, which allows for more flexibility and personalization in the reading process. You can personalize your read aloud experience by selecting and holding down on that read aloud icon until a small menu appears. Here you can change the color of the highlighted words as Snap and Read is reading your words aloud. You can also change the voice of the narrator of the text. If I click on the name below that voice option, I can see a variety of names that I can choose from in English, as well as a variety of other names and narrators that I can select from if I am deciding to have Snap and read to me in a different language. So I'm going to select Arthur here, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you.
We the people of the United
You can also change the speed of the text read aloud to you by selecting the slide bar in the second option. Closer to the left or to the snail is slower, and closer to the right or to the hummingbird is faster. Let's give this a try.
More perfect union. Establish justice. Ensure domestic.
Awesome. I can also change the pitch of the voice reading back to me. So closer to the left is flatter and closer to the right is sharper. Let's give this one a try as well.
We the people Permitan. We the people of the United States.
Awesome. With so many options to personalize your Read Aloud tool, you can be assured to have a one-of-a-kind reading experience, all made possible within the simplicity of Snap and Read. Head on over to donjohnston.com/support to learn more about our Snap and Read iOS app as well as all of our other products. Thank you for watching and have a great day.